Howdy crew, got the truck all washed and cleaned this morning, so that way all the logos and decals can be put on the truck for the company. Let's get to it. The truck is all nice and clean, or at least pretty darn clean, and it is drying the rest of the way as I drive surface streets from Los Angeles down to Orange County. Yes, I know it's a long drive surface streets, it takes quite a while, but with the welding machine still on the pallet, not yet bolted down, I'm not able to go on freeways because that's just not safe, and I don't want to risk the thing flying off or damaging the truck, injuring someone else, what have you. The list goes on. But gonna have the decals, logos, everything put on today by Bill at F Word Industries. That is actually how the company is pronounced, F Word Industries. So everything's going to be measured, put on, and applied today. If anything needs to be changed, it'll be changed today. Just going to be going through the whole process today. It's going to take a little while, but going to get it all done. I'm very happy that the company name will actually be on the truck, the phone number, the web address, the logo, since the trademark is done now. So just all of it, very excited. And it's been a long time coming. I know it's a slow process. I know y'all watching the videos think it may be very slow. Trust me, it's even slower for me because I started this a while before even the video started about starting the welding rig. So yes, I get it's a very slow process, but this is actually what it takes. So I'm giving y'all a real perspective on how long it takes. I just brought the videos into a shorter duration. So yes, it does take a while to get everything in line, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So finally getting down Orange County, and the truck will be done today, and I'll be helping out as well and just going over everything. If there's anything designed that I don't care for, it can be changed, or if I'd like something edited, it will be edited today and fixed right on the spot, which is great. But also getting the truck out and about, it needs to move its wheels, it needs to be running, moving out and about just to get all the oil going through the engine. So it's really good the truck is out today. I don't use it for personal use, so right now it's just been sitting, unfortunately, but that will be changing very soon since the welding rig should be done, fingers crossed, before the end of the year. I know it keeps getting pushed back, but those are delays that I cannot help. It's not in my hands to control that, but should be before the end of the year. So getting the decals done today. I've been talking to Bill at F Word Industries for a little while now, going back and forth about the design, also editing a business card, and we've been talking about that. So it's been a little while in the making. I know I haven't made videos about this, but it's been a process of getting it all started and working with them, talking about this is the kind of design I would like, this is how I'd like the logo displayed on the truck, on the business card, the type of finish that I would like for the truck and on the business card. So it's just been a lot going on, a lot just in the making, and it does take a lot of time, and emails aren't instant, even text aren't instant. So that's one thing. If you're starting a welding rig and you're emailing someone or text, they get to it when they can get to it. It's not all instant. You can't start a welding rig in a week. It just don't happen like that. So I do want to put that out there, that this has all been in the process for quite a while, but it's a wonderful process to go through. That means things are moving forward. If there's no process, things are stopped. We don't need to stand still. So finally going to get it all done today. It's going to be put on and going to be making sure everything's good. Yes, I did block it out because, as I told y'all, I will be releasing the name of the company and everything once the rig is fully finished. So a little bit of suspense for y'all, but it did all get done today. As you can tell, this is the welding rig truck with the welding machine in it. So everything is done. It's all good, fine and dandy. It's all good. There's nothing wrong with it. I was checking for bubbles, which there's nothing going to be helped about that. I'll just roll them out if I find any bubbles. I'm not going to wash the truck because I asked Bill about that, and he said don't wash it for about a day of it being in the sunshine. So I'll flip the truck around a couple days in a row just to make sure that the sun bakes the graphics on there, make sure everything's good. But everything will look great. Drove all the way back to Los Angeles from Orange County, which surface streets was a long drive, especially with rush hour traffic. So it took quite a while, but all worth it. Got all the decals done today. I was very happy about it. and I'm just very ecstatic about it. I couldn't wait to send pictures to my very best friend. I was just so happy. I had to send them to her. I was just very excited, and she said I had to make a video today about it, and I am. I'm not showing what the decals are, but I told her I would make a video today. So this is the video, the vlog about it. And it's all done. Everything's fine and dandy. It's all great. But y'all will be seeing these very, very, very soon. It's almost done, y'all. Almost done. So just a few more steps for the welding rig, and it is fully complete, and y'all will see everything.